Hey, I'm Adam with Adam's Welding. Today I'm coming from my place of work, Lakeston Muffler. This will be my first channel update, and my channel updates will be coming out the first Wednesday of every month. In this update, I'd like to tell you that I've gotten some better video software that I can use with my computer and edit, splice, do all kinds of video processing on it. I've gotten another camera, that way I'll be able to get some arc shots, so I'll be able to actually show you some welding starting soon. Friday I'm going to try and have a video uploaded showing you the basics and the terminology and parts of a MIG welder. And throughout the next month I'll be showing you some MIG welding and some stick welding with my engine drive welder on my truck. But I want to show you all the basics of how to weld before I start trying to show you all any projects. That's it till next time. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and click that little bell icon that will be right next to the subscribe button to be notified of all our upcoming videos.